Hello students, in this video let's continue exercise 2.3. Our 15th problem. A vertical pole of length 6 meter casts a shadow 4 meter long on the ground, and at the same time a tower casts a shadow 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower. So the diagram is shown here. Okay, take this AB as a pole. Okay, and DF as a tower. Both are of different height. Okay, and at the same time because of sun the shadow is casted. Okay, take like that. So the length of the both the shadows is given. So first shadow, it is 4 meter. Actually here centimeter it's written, it's wrong, it's 4 meter. Okay, and here 28 meter. Okay, so now with this data we have to find out the height of the tower. Okay, so height of pole is given, height of both the shadows is given, and at the same time the shadow is casted, so the angle also will be same only. Okay, and now with this we have to find out the height of the tower. So let's start. So length of vertical pole is 6 meter, shadow of pole is 4 meter, height of tower we don't know, so h meter, length of shadow of the tower is 28 meter. This is given data. So in triangle ABC and DEF we are taking, so angle C equal to angle E. Okay, same elevation, the same time the shadow is casted, so the angle will be same. Then angle B equal to angle F. Why? Because both are 90 degree. The pole to the ground is 90 degree, tower to the ground is 90 degree. Okay, so two angles are equal. So we can say by AA similarity criterion both the triangles are similar. Okay, two angles are equal, so we can tell both the triangles are similar. So the sides will be proportional. Okay, if two triangles are similar, then their sides are proportional. That's why we can write AB by DE. Okay, this AB by DE and BC by EF. Okay, this part. Okay, so substituting the value, so 6 by DE equal to 4 by 28. Then cross multiply, we will get 6 into 28 by 4. So the DE, that is height, equal to 42 meter. Okay, hence the height of the tower is 42 meter. Okay, simply this proportional we have to we are coming to the conclusion those two sides are proportional. Then in that the values are substituted. Then DE, that is height, is unknown, so that is found out to be 42 meter. That's the answer. Next problem. If AD and PM are medians of triangles ABC and PQR respectively, where triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, prove that AB by PQ equal to AD by PM. So these two triangles are whole triangle. Okay, ABC full triangle is similar to PQR, this full triangle, that is already given. Now we have to prove these two sides are proportional, AB by PQ and AD by PM. That is, this first half triangle is there, this half triangle and this half triangle are similar. Okay, why? Because this AD and PM are the median of the triangle. So we have to prove that this first half triangle is there, this triangle is similar, by then the sides are proportional. We have to prove like that. So we know that corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. So that's why we are writing this. Okay, so it's already given ABC is proportional to PQR. We can write the sides are proportional. Okay, then all the angles will be equal. Okay, that is also known. For the similar triangle, the angles will be equal. So then Since AD and PM are median, they will divide their opposite sides. Okay, so the median means what? They will cut the line into two halves. That's why BD equal to BC by 2. That BC line is divided by 2. That only will give you BD. Similarly, QM equal to QR by 2. This is our third equation. From equation 1 and 3. Okay, so in equation 1, we are going to put equation 3, this one. So by that, what will happen? Instead of BC, we can write BD. Okay, BD by QM, these two. Okay, these two, BD by QM, we can write. Okay, if you substitute this value means by 2, they will get cancelled. So you will be left with BD by QM only. Okay, so by this proportionality, then having this triangle, first half triangle ABD and PQM, that triangle we are taking. In that, angle B equal to angle Q. That is already given data. Okay, then this equation shows that these two sides are proportional. Okay, two sides are proportional and one angle is equal. Then we can use SAS similarity criterion. Okay, SAS similarity criterion, we can say that the two triangles are similar, so their sides are proportional. Okay, so this is the proof of this problem. Okay, this exercise ends with this. So the remaining problems you can try as your homework. Thank you, children.